Hi, I'm Greg Barrel, and in this week's Peerless SnapShop, we're going to be talking about REOTEMP diaphragm seals that provide protection for your process instrumentation. If your process environment involves harsh fluids that create extreme heat, cold, or corrosive conditions, diaphragm seals are an important tool for protecting your instrumentation. In a process application, they isolate pressure measuring instruments from the media flowing through that system. The seal creates a safe buffer between your fluid and measurement device. There is a flexible diaphragm on the process side of the seal, with the internal space between the diaphragm and the pressure measuring instrument being filled with a system fluid. This creates a safe contact point for the sensitivity that keeps your instrumentation lasting longer and staying accurate. These devices are often used in chemical, pharmaceutical, or energy industries, or other use cases where you need to bridge the compatibility requirements between your measurement tools and the fluid you are measuring. Besides increasing the lifespan of your measurement instruments, these also make maintenance easier by preventing the wear that could happen from harsh media and process systems. To learn more about other components that could help your system, check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.